Welcome back to Dilmax. Introduction to Trigonometry, exercise 8.2. First question we are going to discuss now. It is coming in 10th standard CBSE syllabus. Okay. So what is the first question? Evaluate the following. In that, first subdivision. Sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. We have to find out the value of sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. So what is sin 60? By using the memory trick we can find out sin 60, isn't it? So 60 is which finger? This is 60 finger and thumb side 3 fingers are remaining. So root 3 by 2 is sin 60. If you don't know the memory trick, kindly check the videos I have uploaded. Okay, now cos 30. Cos 30. Which one is 30 degree? This one is 30 degree. So we have to use little finger side. How many fingers left? 1, 2, 3. So root 3 by 2 our cos 30 plus what is sin 30? Again it is 30 degrees. So we have to close this and thumb side only one finger remaining. So what is the value? 1 by 2 is sin value. And cos 60. So this one is 60 degree. Cos 60. How many fingers left in little finger side? Only one finger. And what is the value then? 1 by 2 is the value. So what we got? Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. We will find out the values. So what we should do here first? First we should do the multiplication, then only we should add. Okay, so root 3 into root 3. How we will multiply the fractions? Numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So what is the numerator here? Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Root 3 into root 3 by 2 into 2 plus here the numerators are 1 only, 1 into 1 by 2 into 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 and 2 into 2 is equal to 4 plus 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Here the denominators are same. These are like fractions, so we can add the numerators. 3 plus 1. So we will get 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So what is the answer for this? Sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60 is equal to 1. We will go for the second question. So our second question is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. First we will rewrite the question given. So what is the question? 2 tan square 45, that we can write as 2 tan 45 the whole square. Tan square theta is equal to tan theta the whole square and cos square theta is equal to cos theta the whole square. So we can write this cos 30 the whole square minus sin square theta is equal to sin theta the whole square. So sin 60 the whole square. Now we have to find out tan 45. The value of tan 45 we have to find out. How we can find out? By using our left hand. This is our left hand and we can take this is 45 degree and we have to close that finger and number of fingers on the thumb side by square root of number of fingers on thumb side by square root of number of fingers on little finger side, isn't it? So root 2 by root 2, that's equal to 1. So tan 45 is equal to 1. 2 into 1 square plus cos 30. What is cos 30? So in this, which one is 30 degree? This one is 30 degree. So we have to use our little finger side and root 3 by 2 you will get as cos 30. Root 3 by 2 the whole square minus sin 60. Which one is 60 degrees? This one is 60 degree. And for sin we have to use thumb side. And how many fingers are left? 3 fingers are left. So root 3 by 2 the whole square. And from here we can see that this is plus root 3 by 2 the whole square and this is minus root 3 by 2 the whole square. We can cancel from here itself. If you don't know, I will do that in the next step. After simplifying, we will cancel. Okay. So here 2 into 1 square. 1 square is what? 1. So 2 into 1 we can write 2 into 1 plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. What we should do? We have to take squares on both for both numerator and denominator. Okay. So root 3 the whole square, root 3 the square by 2 the square. That means root 3 square by 2 square minus root 3 square by 2 square and 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus Root 3 square is 9. Sorry, root 3 square is what? Root 3 into root 3, that's equal to 3 only. 3 by 2 square is 4. So plus 3 by 4 minus the same minus 3 by 4. So you got plus 3 by 4 here and minus 3 by 4 here. So we can cancel from here 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. We can cancel. This is plus and this is minus. The same thing only I told you here, that you can cancel from here itself. The people, those who don't know, you can do like this. Okay. So what is the answer we got? We got the answer as 2. So the value of 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 is equal to 2. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment box. Have a nice day.